¿Qué más o menos?
¿Todo bien?
Caballero, ¿qué tal? Me llamo Luis. Parece aquí centro y solo mi respuesta te contesta en español. ¿Cuál es tu nombre?
Noé,
Noé Valerio.
Noé Valerio.
Mr. Valerio, you're charged with illegal dumping. You're facing up to 6 months in jail and or a $2,000 fine. We are going to do probable cause. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can or will be used against you. You have the right to have an attorney present during questions and interviews with the state of Texas. If you cannot afford a lawyer will be appointed to represent you, sir.
Your Honor, the solid waste consisted of 2 used truck tires. Officer,
¿Consiste what?
2 used truck tires.
Oh, consistía, por ejemplo, de 2 llantas de camión usadas.
The officer conducted further research on TLO, on the registered owner. Officer went to the address and was unable to make any contact.
Logró hacer contacto.
So he left a door hanger at the address with the officer's contact information. He was then contacted by Jacob Sanders, who informed the officer that he had no knowledge of the suspect vehicle. Upon contacting Mr. Mario Garcia Tejas, Tejas informed the officer that he sold the suspect vehicle to a defendant and later produced a bill of sale for the purchase. Officer followed up and met with the defendant, who was positively identified by his Mexican passport. A non-custodial interview was conducted, and upon presenting the facts of the case, the defendant voluntarily admitted to dumping the solid waste as depicted in the video. The interview was videotaped.
So there's a video of him actually doing it. I mean, I'm wondering, how did they even get to him in the first place? How do they know?
Sure, I'm not familiar.
Did someone see him? Did the officer see him? Someone turn him in?
It was on January 12th, 2024. Environmental Crimes was provided a video, a surveillance video of illegal dumping at Lara Street.
So then through the video, they followed up and they found him through the car, I imagine.
The owner of Lara Street, I believe, Lara.
Oh, Lera Street.
Brought the video to the officers.
Mr. Valerio, I'm going to find that there's probable cause to go forward with your case. Tell me, are you a United States citizen?
No,
No,
Are you in this country with or without permission?
no, without permission.
If you go to
¿Qué
jail,
pasa si usted va a una cárcel?
pagaría todos mis delitos.
No le puede
I
agregar
would pay for all my
inmigración.
crimes.
Le puede agregar inmigración.
I want you to think about
Quiero que
this.
usted piense de en esto.
What happens if you go
¿Qué
to jail?
pasa si usted va a una cárcel?
Me agarraría inmigración.
Immigration will get a hold of me.
That's correct.
Eso es correcto.
Thank you for the help, Marcos. You,
Usted,
if you're in jail for even more than 12 hours, immigration sweeps the jail on a daily basis. They will put a detainer on you. You will be stuck like Chuck in jail until first this case is over with. And then you'll be shipped off to immigration where they're going to do whatever they're going to do to you, but you will probably wait an additional 6 to 9 months in immigration waiting for whatever to happen to happen. If you go to jail, that's what you have looking forward to. Do you understand?
Sí, sí.
yes,
Do you have a Texas driver license?
Ahorita no.
no, not right now.
Then you're not allowed to drive. And I am making that a condition of your bond. If I find that you drive any vehicle whatsoever for any reason, I will put you in jail. And if you're unlucky enough, you're going to be there for an extremely long time. This is an affidavit that I'm going to have you sign, a promise that you're going to make with me, that you're not to drive whatsoever. If I find that you drive, I will have a contempt hearing. You'll be facing an additional 6 months every time you drive because it's an offense in and of itself. Heed this warning. You will not get another one. Do you understand?
Sí, sí.
I will have you come up here, swear to us that you're not going to drive. After that, you'll get with Marcos and Victoria. We will get you out of here. I will waive your appearance so you don't have to come to court until Marcos says so. But if Marcos tells me that he can't get a hold of you because you're playing games and you're not responding to phone calls or text messages, I will issue a warrant. You will not get any more PR bonds if you pick up any new cases. Drive, stay out of contact. Understand?
Fuera de contacto, ¿entiendes?
Good luck, sir.
Buenas noches.
Maybe excuse me. Thanks.